I created her in 10 minutes. She doesn't exist. But the platform paying creators to make AI influencers like her, that's very real. You miss Bitcoin, miss NFTs. AI influencers are the next wave, and you're early. In the next 10 minutes, I will show you exactly how to create your own AI influencer and start earning with Higgsfield Earn. This is actually insane. So let's go. Okay, real talk. When I first heard about AI influencers making money, I was skeptical. Like, who's going to follow a fake person? Who's going to pay for this? You think this would never work, but actually AI influencer content is getting serious engagement right now. And here's what makes this interesting. You don't need a massive following to start earning with Higgsfield Earn. You don't need to wait for months to get a brand deal. And you don't need to even show your face. Higgsfield has created one of the simplest ways to start earning in 2026. They pay creators based on the content that they post, not complicated applications, no waiting period. While AI influencers are still very new, there's a real opportunity here. Let me show you the exact process I use to create an AI influencer in under 10 minutes and how you can start earning with it. The platform is called Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio, and it's honestly one of the most powerful AI tools that I have tested. Now, here's what makes it different. Number one, 90 plus customizable parameters. You can create hyper realistic humans, stylized characters, and even hybrid creatures in any look that you can imagine. Number two, built-in motion control. Your AI influencer doesn't just stand there. They move naturally, express emotions, and feel real. Number three, Higgsfield Earn. This is the monetization piece. Higgsfield pays AI influencers just for signing up and for every upload after. You can create content, post it on social media, tag Higgsfield, and earn based on performance. So real creators are already earning through this program. Like I already get paid from this program, but they've opened it up to where nearly anybody can get paid. They're currently offering free generations to get started, which is perfect for testing this out. Check the link in the description. Don't do it now, but if you do, open it up in another tab so you can follow along. So this is my actual Higgsfield account, and I'm going to create an AI influencer from scratch right now in real time so you can see exactly how this works. No editing tricks, no shortcuts. I'm just gonna show you the actual process. Let's build your AI influencer. All right, once you're in Higgsfield, click AI Influencer Studio at the top. You'll see two creation options, builder mode and prompt mode. And I'm gonna show you builder mode because it's the most intuitive. Now, here's your pro tip. You can combine both methods later for even better results. Now, your first decision is the character type. You can create realistic humans or get creative with creatures and hybrids. So for this tutorial, I'm creating a realistic female character because that's a style that tends to perform well on Instagram and TikTok. However, you can choose any type of character you like. So here are 5 key parameters that I'm focusing on. Number 1, the character type, human. Number 2, the gender, female. Number 3, the ethnicity. You can select multiple and you can even blend them. I'm choosing mixed, Asian plus European for this unique feature. Number 4, the eye color. I'm going to go with green or amber because it tends to stand out. Number 5, skin details. Adding light freckles makes the character feel more real and relatable. Things like freckles and beauty marks or subtle features make your AI influencer look more human and less AI generated. Now, this matters for engagement. So it's generating now. This takes about 15 to 20 seconds. Now, there she is. She looks completely realistic. Now, if you want to customize, change your style and add accessories, adjust anything, you can click Edit in Nano Banana Pro. Now, this opens up an editing interface where you can type a simple command like add gold hoop earrings or change hair color to blonde, anything that you like. That's your AI influencer created. Now, let's bring her to life. Okay, this next part is wild. Watch this. Higgsfield has a motion engine with a library of preset movements and trending audio. Now, these aren't just random. They're movements that are already performing well in platforms like TikTok and Instagram. So you can choose from talking head videos, dance movements, casual gestures, trending challenges. I'm going to select this one because it's currently trending. Now, let's do the quick settings. Let's do 1080p for HD quality. And let's do up to 30 seconds on the video link. And on the background, let's keep the original background for consistency. And this takes about 30 to 45 seconds to generate. Now, look at this. Facial expressions are natural. The movement is smooth. And the way that the hair moves looks realistic. This is the content you can post right now on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Downloaded and ready to post. But here's the important part. Creating the AI influencer is just one step. Now I need to show you how to actually earn with this. Okay, so you've created your AI influencer and made your first video. Now what? This is where most people get stuck. They create one video, post it, and get a few hundred views, and then they don't know what to do next. So here's the actual strategy. Batch create content. Create 10 to 15 videos in one sitting. That's 30 to 45 minutes. Use different motions from the preset library. Test different styles, and then post consistently. So phase 2 is post consistently. 1 to 2 videos per day on TikTok, 1 video per day on Instagram Reels, and 1 video per day on YouTube Shorts. Now, make sure that you've warmed up those accounts before you start posting. And what I mean by warming up, that means act like an actual person or a human being and start using them and engaging in that account that you've set up for your AI influencer. Then phase 3, you're going to join Higgsfield Earn. Here's how the monetization works. Step 1, you're going to post your AI influencer video on social media. Step 2, tag at Higgsfield in the caption. Step 3, copy your post link. Step 4, paste it into the Higgsfield Earn dashboard. Step 5, earn based on your video's performance. So you're not waiting for brand deals. You're not filling out sponsorship applications. You're earning directly from the content that you create. Creators are using this to help pay rent, gear, and travel. The earning potential depends on your views and engagement. Now, I want to be realistic with you. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. And you're not going to make thousands overnight. At least, I don't think so. Let me know if you do. But this is one of the simplest ways you can start earning from content creation in 2026, especially if you don't want to be on camera. That means if you want to be faceless, you don't want to show your face, you don't want to put on makeup, you don't want to do your hair, this is how you do it. So here's the part that nobody talks about. The AI influencers that perform best aren't posting randomly. They're following a specific content strategy. I've been studying AI influencer accounts actually getting traction, and they all follow the similar patterns. Number 1, pick one niche: fitness, motivation, money tips, fashion/beauty, or life advice, motivational content. Whatever it is, just don't try to be everything. Pick one lane and start growing, and then you can grow from there. You can extend from there. Number 2, post at optimal times. Now, of course, it depends on your region, but TikTok, 7 to 9 a.m., 12 to 1 p.m., 7 to 9 p.m., and Instagram, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., and YouTube Shorts, 12 to 3 p.m., and 7 to 10 p.m. And number 3, make sure you're using trending audio. But here's the best part. Higgsfield's preset library already includes trending sounds, so you're riding on existing viral trends. And number 4, cross-post everywhere. So use the same video on TikTok, on Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. More platforms equal more views equals more earning potential. So number 5, engage with your audience. Reply to comments as your AI character and build a personality and a backstory. Make people care about your character. Now, here's something important to understand. You don't need millions of followers to earn with Higgsfield Earn. Smaller accounts with high engagement can perform really well because platform rewards quality content, not just follower count. Now, let me be transparent. AI influencers are still relatively new, and we don't know exactly how this will evolve. AI influencers are still pretty new, and we don't know exactly where it's going to go. But right now, there's a real opportunity, and the market isn't saturated yet. The tools are accessible. Platforms like Higgsfield are making it easier than ever to get started. In 6 to 12 months, this could look totally different. More competition, more saturation, but right now you're early. So here's what I recommend you do. Step 1, click the link in the description and sign up for Higgsfield. They're offering free generations right now, so you get to test this without any upfront costs. Step 2, create your AI influencer. You can also use my free AI influencer starter kit linked in the description. Take 10 to 15 minutes to get the look right. Now think about the niche that you want to target. Step 3, batch create. 10 to 15 videos using their preset motion library. Now this can take you 30 to 45 minutes. Then post consistently, 1 video per day on each platform. Set a reminder on your phone. Then step 5, join Higgsfield Earn and start tracking your performance. See what works and double down on it. Look, I know this might feel overwhelming or unfamiliar. Maybe you're thinking, I don't know anything about AI, or I'm probably too late. But here's the thing, this AI Influencer Studio is breaking the internet right now. So because it's so accessible, you don't need to be a tech expert. You don't need expensive equipment, and you don't need to be on camera. You just need to be willing to try something new and stay consistent. This AI influencer I created for this tutorial took me 10 minutes. I'm going to post her content this week and see what happens. And I'll probably make a follow-up video showing you the results. So here's the challenge. Create your AI influencer today and post your first video by tomorrow. Then drop the link in the comments below. And don't forget to grab my free AI influencer starter kit for even more instructions linked in the description below. Then drop the link in the comment below and I'll respond to every single one and try to give you feedback. Let's see who can get the most views in week 1. I am so excited to try this with you guys. There's a link to Higgsfield in the description. It's free generations, no credit card required to start, and one of the simplest ways to start earning in 2026. So AI influencers plus Higgsfield, don't miss this massive wave. And you already know, if you're ready, I'm ready, let's grow.